Ever wondered how cryptocurrency could make you rich? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to demystify the world of digital currencies and show you how to turn your crypto coins into real cash. So buckle up and prepare for a journey into the exciting realm of cryptocurrency. In 2010, a man named Laszlo Hanyecz bought 2 pizzas for 10,000 bitcoins. Fast forward to today, these bitcoins would be worth millions. But don't worry, you don't have to spend your crypto on pizzas to make some serious cash. There are plenty of legitimate ways to monetize your digital coins. First up, trading. Similar to the stock market, you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies on several online platforms. The trick here is to buy when the price is low and sell when the price is high. But remember, the crypto market is highly volatile, so it's crucial to do your research and set clear goals. Next, we have mining. This involves using powerful computers to solve complex mathematical puzzles, validate transactions, and secure the network. In return, miners are rewarded with coins. However, this method requires significant upfront investment in hardware and can be energy-intensive. Another passive income stream is staking. This involves holding a certain amount of coins in a digital wallet to support the operations of a blockchain network. As a reward, you receive more coins, similar to earning interest on a savings account. Finally, there's decentralized finance, or DeFi. With DeFi, you can lend out your crypto assets, participate in liquidity pools, and even earn rewards by providing liquidity to decentralized exchanges. But remember, always do your due diligence and be cautious of smart contract risks. Whether you choose to trade, mine, stake, or explore the world of DeFi, always stay informed, diversify your portfolio, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. With the right strategy and a bit of luck, you could be well on your way to financial freedom in the world of crypto. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more crypto content, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Until next time, happy investing, and may the crypto gods be ever in your favor.